Snowstorm. I can never win. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. As you can see, blizzarding again. It's like end of April and it's blizzarding. Gotta love life in Canada. Anyways, today we are going to be installing a fuel pressure system, sensor system in the Tahoe, just to help everything out. It says it won't make a difference, but I think it will. It'll help with the tuning of it at least. So, I don't know, I could be wrong. What we got is, I'll get the part numbers for you guys. From Current Performance, we got the extension, because this is where the plug is. And up under there is where the sensor goes. So, speaking of sensor, I just got this cheap 200 PSI guy from Amazon, so hopefully that works. I wasn't paying the $300-400 for the fucking Holly one. There was no way in hell. And then I got from Glow Shift. Oh, I just have the adapter, so it could be 90 or straight. And here's the part number, right there. So we're probably gonna go straight. We'll see how everything fits. So, but that's where we're at. I was reading the book here to see if I had to do anything in the computer or whatever, and it says that the system is plug and play configured for a Holly 100 PSI transducer. So I'm thinking this guy should be no problem at all. So, but we'll find out when we put the dash back in and we hook everything up and we turn the key and all that's done. So, but for now, like I said, we're just going to install this and see how it looks and how it fits. Can't wait. So I can't wait to get this truck back on the road again. The snow gone, the dash back in, all that stuff taken care of, figured out again. Some new parts we have coming, which should be here like right away, well, depending on the storm. And yeah, get the exhaust done and get this thing just driving. I can't wait. I can't wait to turn the wheel. Like, oh well, let's get this done. Alright guys, I have everything moved away from the area. Actually feeling around it, actually it's a little bit wet. So I'm wondering if this thing wasn't leaking. Zoom in there. So I still have to release the pressure on it and all that stuff. So I'll be doing that here right away. But here's what we got going on. Instructions for and fuel pressure test port. So basically I screw this piece, because it's got the round AN fitting, onto the piece, and then I put some Teflon tape on this. It's an NPT fitting, I believe, and then that goes on there. So, or what does that say? 4AN fuel fitting. Okay, so which side's AN, right? I don't know. I'll be safe and I'll just put some around there and we'll see what happens. If it leaks, then I'll know. I'm having some other issues with some stuff that I worked on in the last video. We'll talk about that here in a bit. So, just junk. And just like that, guys, that valve is gone. That's all it is. It's like what you'd find in an air tire, like your tire on your bike or whatever growing up. Oh, that seal in its shot. So yeah, it was leaking. Okay, not a big deal. This is the tool that you take it out with. It's a valve stem removal tool. They're awesome. You can get them anywhere. I already went ahead and assembled half of this. So now, this should just thread on here, like that. Yeah, just like so. And then I'll tighten it down and there should be hopefully no leak when I fire it up. We'll find out. So we'll do that here. Actually, I'll pressurize the system and we'll find out if it leaks. So stay tuned, guys. Alright folks, like that, it's on. Give it a little bit of a tighten. So hopefully everything will work. Now I'm just going to figure out how I'm going to run this wire. It might go over, actually, just go over it like that. for now. So I can always hide it with that cover, right? So super simple. But that's, we'll do that. We'll get it on there. And then we'll see if it leaks. So fingers crossed, folks. Fingers crossed. All right, folks. Let's see if it leaks. I'm gonna put the key in and we're gonna run over and see what happens. Because I have my fuel pressure, my fuel system on that timer. So. We got leaks. Okay, let me shut her down. Damn it, that's never a good thing. Well, Teflon tape, I guess. Alright, guys. Did some dinking around with it. Now, it don't leak. What it was I just wasn't, it was like a cunt hair loose. I just have to turn it a little bit more. And now she don't leak. So hopefully it's gonna work. Comment down below, what do you guys think? Think that's gonna work? Well, how long do you think it's gonna be before it starts like leaking and all that shit? Hopefully not long, because they're hopefully a long time. It lasts forever. So now I'm gonna have to do no, and it should work because like it said in the book. So, but that's it for that part of it. We got the fuel pressure sensor installed that I've been waiting on, with the glow shift adapter, installation kit, a cheap sensor from Amazon, and a current performance wiring harness. So I gotta get out of here. As you guys seen the blizzard, I got a lot of snow to start getting moving and shit like that, and I gotta figure out why my horn on my truck doesn't like to turn off. Might be just a small thing, so, but I'll find that out on my own. Until next time, guys, take care of yourselves. Love you, God bless. Next video, I might do something completely different. Was gonna do the dash stuff, reinstall it, talk about, you know, all the problems and all that crap, and start setting it up. But I have to go out of town for my daughter's basketball, and where we're going has something that nowhere else in the world has. It's the world's only KFC buffet. So I figured maybe I'll vlog it. So I don't know, comment down below. What do you guys think? Would you like to see something like that? So, but that, like I said, it's where I'm gonna end it today. If you found this video useful, any of the parts useful, stuff like that, the info, you know, drop a like button, subscribe, all that kind of stuff. It doesn't hurt, doesn't cost you nothing. And if you like what you're doing or like what we're doing here, there's a Patreon link. If it doesn't work, comment down below and tell me. I can't check that kind of shit. So, but yeah, other than that, that's where I'm going to leave it for today. So, love you guys. Take care of yourselves. God bless.